Next, moving on to artificial kidney. Sometimes because of several reasons, might be because of infection, because of an accident, there is a damage that is caused to the kidneys, thereby destroying the filtering unit, that is a nephron. If nephrons are not functioning, it simply means that toxic waste cannot be eliminated from the body. In that case, what can be done? A procedure called as dialysis is followed. Now let's try to understand the working of a dialyzer. Now these two tubes, okay, are connected to the arms of the patient, and the blood that has to be purified is removed through the artery, and from the artery it enters this dialyzer. Now this dialyzer has got the presence of series of tubes, and these tubes are semi-permeable, and this is surrounded, the semi-permeable tubes are surrounded by the dialyzing fluid. Now what happens is the dialyzing fluid enters this semi-permeable membrane or the tubes, and from the tubes all the toxic waste is eliminated outside. So now what happens, once once this essential substances have got in and the waste substance has moved out, then all the waste substances gets collected over here in the used dialyzing fluid, okay, and all the essential substances, it moves in over here to the patient, all the essential substances. The dialyzing fluid has got all the essential substances that is required for the human beings, so it moves into the patient by means of vein. The other tube is connected to the vein, and fresh dialyzing fluid is sent from here. So this is with respect to the dialysis. Now next, moving on to excretion in plants. The main waste products produced by plants are carbon dioxide, water vapor, and oxygen. Plants get rid of excess of water by transpiration. We very well know what is the definition of transpiration. The gaseous waste of respiration and photosynthesis in plants are removed through the stomata in leaves and lenticels in stems and released in the air. Lenticels are nothing but they are tiny pores that are formed because of the secondary growth, and secondary growth is seen in the stem, and this brings about the increase in the girth or the diameter of the plant. Many waste products are stored in cellular vacuoles. Waste products may be stored in leaves that fall off, and other waste products are stored as resins and gums. Now resins are nothing but these are adhesives, or they are used as a adhesives are nothing but that are used to stick substances. So resins are nothing but the adhesives. These are not useful to the plants, but they are useful to the human beings. And gums are nothing but the polysaccharides, or they are made up of many sugar units. So plants excrete some waste substances into the soil around them. Some of the plant waste which are useful to humans are natural rubber, gum, resins, and essential oils like sandalwood oil, eucalyptus oil, clove oil, and lavender oil. So this is with respect to the excretion in plants. Thank you.